Me again. I don't know how well this is going to go, but Uncle Des was here before for an oil change, and I changed the diaphragm in the top that presses down on the needle of the seat, on the carbia of this, and it seemed to be a lot better. So yeah. Wow, it might not go at all. Oh, maybe it's not turned on. Helps if you turn it on. Still got problems. It's a pain in the butt to turn it. You put the cover back on, and then of course you can't get to any of the tuning. And of course you put the cover back on and it runs different. So what do you do? And now the clutch decides to play up. Bloody thing. Go figure. I gave it a quick tune. Seems to be okay. And that clutch, well, I don't know, pain in the butt. That clutch will start smoking all on its own. If I run it any slower than that, it won't idle. Or maybe could slow it down a little bit, I don't know. But I don't know, I might be up for another set of clutch springs. That clutch has been hot a few times. I've persisted with it, trying to run this bar in a bit last time and it was going okay, but yeah, I don't know, I'll give it a go, who knows, it might come good, eh? And what I meant by running that bar in, it was a 50 gauge bar, and I took it back to 48, so I closed the gap up, and it was tight, and too tight in some spots, but what I did is I just thought, stuff it, second hand chain, obviously second hand bar, but like second hand chain, I think I have a couple sharpens left in it. I just burr it round until it works properly, because it had a few tight spots. Most of it was pretty good, but that got the clutch hot. Yeah, and I think I must have weakened the springs. But what do you do? I'll look for a set of springs or a whole clutch, one of the two. I mean, it was a $20 saw, and it was really just for the collection. I do know someone that's got two of them. It surprised me, he didn't tell me that. And I caught up with him and he said, oh, I've got these two. And I'm like, huh, cool. I was almost going to say, can I have one? But, you know. But yeah, because he said, oh, they both go, it's just one's got broken recoil. And I'm like, But anyway. Yeah, I'll take that out, woodcut, next time I go out, and I'll just use it for some deliming. A lot of up and down rev work, try and just see whether it's going to behave itself. I might be able to idle it down a bit. I'm kind of hoping, because it does scream a bit. And that might take the pressure off the clutch a bit too. But anyway, yeah. Because it is idling a little bit high. We'll see.